Entities subject to UAE CT. All companies registered in UAE like LLCs, PJSCs etc., free zone entities, DMCC, DSO etc., natural persons, business turnover greater than 1 million United Arab Emirates dirhams, sole proprietorship, foreign entities, including those having place of effective management in UAE, branch and representative office etc. Tax period for CT. If FY ending is May 31st, then the first tax period is June 1, 2023 to May 31, 2024. If FY ending is December 31st, then the first tax period is January 1, 2024 to December 31, 2024. If FY ending is March 31st, then the first tax period is April 1, 2024 to March 31, 2025. Example for newly incorporated companies. A company incorporated on August 2023 following the financial year January to December will have its first audit period as the 1st of August 2023 to the 31st of December 2024. The first tax period for CT will be the 1st of January 2024 to 31 December 2024, and the due date for tax return is the 30th of September 2025. Thank you for watching our video. For detailed information, please consider viewing our webinar series dedicated to corporate tax uploaded in our YouTube channel. For more information, contact us.